Welcome back to Cocina y Soy. Today we will be making Japanese curry. The dish was first brought to the country by the British from India during the Meiji Restoration. The typical Japanese curry is thicker in texture and tastes sweeter, but is less spicy than its Indian counterpart. The protein of choice is often pork or beef, differing from Indian curry in which chicken or mutton is the choice. It is the kind of a stew you cannot stop eating and want once more. So, let's get to it.
Peel and cut the carrot into large rolling wedges. Peel and cut the onion into large pieces. Peel and cut the potato in half from top to bottom, then lengthwise. If you cut it too small, the potato will all melt into the sauce. Heat up a large pot with vegetable oil. Introduce the vegetables and roughly mix together to coat with the oil. Add the beef. Stir until it has lost the red color. Add the water and bring it to boil. Once it boils, turn the fire off. Break apart and add the curry cubes. Stir gently until it fully melts. I personally like to simmer it at low heat for another 15 to 30 minutes. This helps to tenderize the chunky beef and also incorporates the vegetables better. It is ready to be served.
And here it is, Japanese curry, a one-pot dish. It is usually paired with white rice, but it can be arranged with udon or even baked in a pot with rice and cheese, making it a very versatile dish. It is usually made in large quantities and gets better as you reheat it. That's why it's great to try different arrangements to enjoy many different meals. Smells so good.
Oh my god, it's so creamy. The potatoes melting in my mouth.
I'm gonna enjoy mine, but don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up and comment below.